These intros need to be a bit better.
Well, you need to not just shove the camera in my face and give me a chance, man. I'm still trying to sort this stupid thing out. Have you noticed that the RS3 saloon used to come with my wheels on it? Look, comes with rotors now.
Shocking. Hey, look at that. Mark 2, Mark 1, Mark 2.
So we've come to Awesome GTI today.
Yeah, as you can see.
Come to see Lisa. I don't know if you watched the video before. Obviously, I don't know if you watched that. I don't know
Probably
you personally.
Not. Who does watch him?
No, not many people. The RS4 had the carbon clean done, flashed back to stock. Then another day we come back, put it on the dyno. It only ran twice again.
Where's the sun gone?
I don't know, it's just gone in.
Right.
I'm getting into my flow here.
It's only what you did to me. Carry on.
So we then ran it back on the dyno, only managed 2 runs again because it's still pulling time. So although it's better now, it was 9 degrees, it's now 7 degrees. So we've got all the gear, it's been in the boot for ages, all the gear for a service. So we've asked if they'll do the service for us, new spark plugs, that kind of thing. And then we're going to run it on the dyno for a 3rd time to see if we can get the timing sorted.
And hopefully this is the last time we come here. Well, not in a bad way.
Not in a bad way, but it's obviously rinsing of us a shitload of money.
Us money, isn't it?
There's loads of stuff still to do. Coilovers, Miltech. I still want a wing back interior, but I'm not paying $2.5 grand.
There's another, what do you reckon, 5-6 grand to spend on this car?
Yeah, easy, because I want to do the bodywork. We need to sort them fucking horrific wing mirrors out.
Look at them, up close and personal.
That looks like a 4-year-old's done it.
It looks like some kind of weird, like, snake print wing mirrors.
And for those that think YouTubers get shit for free, that cost us 70 quid for him to ruin our door mirrors.
You.
Not happy about that. But we'll sort them out. That's just, I mean, if you look at them from like down at the end of the street, it actually looks all right.
Well, if you look at them off the top of that building there, they'll be fine.
So yeah, that's what's happening. Service, dyno, fingers crossed then. It's close to 400 horsepower and the timing sorted.
We're always doing the same here.
What?
How much horsepower?
Is it going to have?
I'm going with over 400.
Oh no, I reckon 396.
Right, I'll go just over, whatever over.
Yeah. All right, you go over, I'll go under. There you go. And what are we going to do something different to a breakfast, or are we still breakfasting it up?
No, we're breakfast, but we will actually, someone said, oh, we need to see this breakfast. So we'll actually film whoever.
Yeah, we'll go Poppies because they do a proper breakfast.
Yeah, you'll get to see what we get to win.
Sound?
Okay? Right.
Yeah.
Sorted. Let's get in there and
see how we get on.
We got a new place here now, look at this.
Yes.
Got a new spot.
We're going to be on most of the ramps
here, the worrying thing is here, we're making our way close. We started up there last month, and then we went to there, now we're here. We're going to be out there soon.
They're trying to sell us something, trying to get rid of us or what? So hopefully now, after the service, we're going to get back on the dyno where, is that an RS5 down there by the looks of it? Yeah, it looks like one. So we'll get rid of that, put a proper car on, V8, their V6. Yeah. Hopefully then the timing issue's sorted, fingers crossed, and it's 400 horsepower, 399, so I win a breakfast.
Are you going to be dyno running this? Yeah. Can you make sure it makes over 400? just to give you a
chance.
Heads up there.
Don't go cheating for him. That's what he does.
I'll cut you in on the breakfast.
Yeah, that sounds great to me.
And don't take the mick out of me mirrors. I know you were having a laugh about them last time. Oh, it's because of the numpty that took the glass out at the place, cracked it. I've ordered another one, it was £8 from just down the road in China.
Yeah. Are you sure you can be near the engine? Look at this
I know
now.
what I'm doing.
Do you think you'd give him a job there now?
I'm practically an Audi trained technician, pal.
You've not got your work shoes on.
I can't see
you haven't got gloves.
I don't get dirty, you know that.
Stay away from that. Definitely can't afford that. Not yet, anyway.
No.
People think we're making loads of money off YouTube because we bought that S15, but we're not making anything yet, are we?
No, are we, Eckers?
And we're definitely not making enough to get one of these.
Next year, maybe.
This time next year, Rodders.
We're millionaires.
Definitely. First choice, second choice. And if I had to, I'd have the Golf.
If you had to.
I mean, they're all nice, but that's definitely the nicest one.
Was it 800 horsepower, did we say? Is it 9.3 second quarter mile, this?
Fast.
It sounds ridiculous.
Do you think that's got an exhaust on it?
Well, it sounds like it's coming from the front, doesn't it?
Has the exhaust fell off that?
Turn down on it. I get out of it gracefully.
Yeah, I know how you feel on that. I'm the same. I must admit though, although I do love the RS6, I'd have to, if I had a choice of which one to have a go in, it'd be that.
I wonder what 9.3 seconds to a quarter mile actually feels like.
Just be funny driving it. I don't think it's going off this car park, is it though, with them tyres on it?
No.
Them slicks. So are you going to be in this photo shoot then?
Nah, they won't want me in it.
Oh, you're a YouTube celebrity now, aren't you?
Well, they'd want me to sign all the shit. There's going to be fans here. It's going to just get a bit embarrassing, isn't it? So
yeah,
if I stay out of the way and people don't know we're here.
Should we go back inside then? Just so
come on, just hide out.
On the
bring the cap and the sunglasses and the moustache and that.
Yeah, we're going to need it. What do you reckon's happening now? Do you think he's done?
I haven't a clue. What are you asking me for? I don't even know. Yeah, it's oil, that, isn't it?
It looks red to me, that.
Isn't that power steer? Is that power steer? No.
Oh, there's no point in asking you if it's red or green or pink or
No, I'm
orange.
colourblind as fuck.
Yeah.
I'm actually wanting it to be over 400 horsepower, but then I also want a free breakfast. So either way, it's a win-win for me. That's what I do.
On a serious note, about an hour now, surely that's about right. But I haven't seen it go up higher than that, so it needs to go underneath it. Where are you up to on the car now? How far are you getting on with it?
Yeah, just leave it to me, Doris. So, I think the spark plugs and stuff have been done.
That orange fluid, red stuff, whatever it is, that's been done, whatever that is.
Is that coolant, that?
No,
I don't know what it is,
It's
but
red.
that's, yeah, that went
That's
in
been
somewhere.
done.
I can't remember, I don't know where, it went in there somewhere.
The big hammer's been out on it, and the ratchet, some massive ratchet thing over there,
Yeah.
that's been on it.
Yeah, so now it's going to go up, drain the oil out of it, replace fuel filter.
Yeah.
Job done.
And that's it, finished. Press that button there.
I'm not touching that.
Try it.
No
Go
chance.
on.
No, because we'll get kicked
Go on.
out. We've just got to the point where we're in
You're letting
here.
us here on our own.
Yeah, usually Lisa's holding our hands, isn't she?
She's like, you can't go in without me. But now we're like, she's allowing us.
We might have had some bad news about the power steering thing.
Yeah, it's leaking. Something's
He
leaking.
thinks it's a power, yeah. And it does squeak and fall up, but he says it does that quite, the B7 does that quite a lot anyway, so he's doing that. And then, whose idea was this, by the way? This was definitely your idea. I wanted to buy an RS4
I don't have Audi in my middle name, do I?
I wanted to buy an RS4 off an Audi technician who looked after his car.
Yeah, and like I said, what would we do for YouTube? Because we've bought this car to do some YouTube videos, a bit of entertainment, and it's entertaining, financially unentertaining.
There might not be much more YouTube after this because we'll be skint.
Yeah, that
There's no
is true.
fucking money left.
But it even looks good on a ramp.
£2 scratch card, please, mate. I'll let you decide. Yeah,
Then we can get the stuff fixed on the RS4 if we
Definitely.
win.
Minimum £10 for contactless. I haven't got a card on me, no.
So you said you knew, didn't you? Yeah, hold on.
Why would I know that? This is what everybody wants to see here.
I'm paying this on a business actually. Hold on.
Look at this.
Hold on a minute. Let me try this one.
Whenever you're ready.
Alright.
Should I not film the
You're
bit where you
supposed-
put your pin in?
No, this one definitely works. This. I've not used it much.
Magic
He
rub.
normally pays, you see.
4923. That's a good pin.
Yeah. Secret number. Nothing's a secret with him. Thanks. Yeah, we'll need it. Right, so we need to win about £10,000 off this, just so we can get the RS4 properly fixed up.
Come on then.
What do we do?
I don't know.
No.
Well, what a waste of £2 that was. That's why I don't use them. One of the best chocolate bars ever. A broken spring.
Ah, that's where the noise is coming from then.
But it comes from,
Yeah,
so
but it
there's
might-
knocking down here somewhere as well, I'm sure.
From this side will be that.
The track rod end.
So
Are you totting all this up in your head?
All I heard is new exhaust, track rod ends, broken spring, new suspension.
Clutch.
Oh, have you got the big piece of paper? A4. Oh dear.
So this
We'll
is
have a look
everything
at
that we need?
That's just everything I've got.
What you've seen that we need for it? Fucking hell.
Why did we buy this?
I know. But once it's done and it's cost us 20 grand to get it mint, I mean, what better car could you get for 20 grand that's mint?
It won't even be the same car because it'll have had that much stuff changed on it.
It'd be like Trigger's broom.
Yeah, exactly. This is going to go on a road test and then see if it's still pulling some timing. And if it's not, we get it on the rolling road.
Yeah.
It's got a broken near side rear spring.
That actually explains why it's so low at the back, I reckon.
Ah, yeah.
But we're getting coilovers for it anyway. But then the trap rod ends we didn't know about.
And it needs, although one's gone, there's playing one, we need obviously just change both of them.
We know it already needs a clutch. Definitely needs rear discs and pads. There was more. Oh, exhaust, because it keeps coming back with the low efficiency cat thing.
And that looks like some Frankenstein job, that exhaust, as you can see from the
They've
pictures.
literally just took the exhaust system off, chopped the cats out of it, put it all back on, welded bits in horrendously.
One bit looks like it's slotted inside the other.
Oh.
It's not even the same size.
No, so we've got to get that. So then Miltech exhausts, I think, are about £1,000, but then that's capped back.
Oh, don't look too disappointed. It's only money. Hopefully we get it on the dyno. If it runs 400, you'll be happy, won't you? So, out of all the cars we've got, we might have to sell one because I think we might run out of money pretty quick at this rate. Which one has to go first? Which one do you think?
Well, do you reckon you could get rid of the RSQ3?
No. I don't want the GTR to go. Definitely not selling the S15 because I've not even driven it yet. It's between your RS3, that can't go, can it?
Well,
your missus needs it. So what's it between that in there, the RS4, the Focus RS? What else have we got?
That's it.
Is that all we've got?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we had another one.
Good luck, boys.
Good luck.
Oh, come on, tell me she's all right.
It's all well. How many degrees have we got? Most is 5.
Are you happy to stick this on the dyno now? Get in! I knew she wouldn't let me down. Go on, girl. Who's on the breakfast?
We'll have 500.
I'm saying less than 400, he's saying more than. You do. More than 400.
I'm not even watching this, I know it's going to be over 400 horsepower.
Look how confident he is. Can you remember last time though? You were pretty confident last time. You were pretty confident last time, yeah. And you lost. Go on. Right round to £8,000.
Woo! There we go. But tell me, go on, what?
So you really want to know what the first run made?
I want to know what the first run made because there's a breakfast running on it. Go on, give me the bad news.
So, you know how I said to you earlier on that it was going to be a win-win for me?
Yeah.
Whether, if it's less than
Still
400...
over 400 then, hasn't it?
It's done 407 horsepower, first run.
Told you, easy. Missed it. So, in the end, if we go off other figures, we should make another 1 or 2.
Hopefully.
Get in.
407 horsepower from our...
I've actually won one. I've won one bet. That's the first one I've won in like, oh well, ages.
I'm just waiting for him to come out and do a Jose Mourinho and say, oh no, it's a false reading that.
Oh,
it's a false reading.
You can stay over there.
Get in, well done. We got there in the end.
Cheers.
For a brekkie for you, didn't we?
Cheers. Cheers, mate. Thanks.
Nice one. Run 3.
Better get up. Better get up.
Come on.
Right, where are we up there? I'm sure that hit 500 then.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, I'm sure it hit 500 there. 510 or something.
Stop it. I don't know what any of that really means because it just moves around all the time.
And to be fair, we didn't even get a readout last time. We just know that you give it away with the first one.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you've won on the first run anyway, so this is all completely irrelevant. Let's get it.
Definitely got 3,000 RPM.
Yes.
Definitely.
I can't hear a word you're saying.
400, 410.
410.
Easy.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, easy, yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Ah, it sounds so good.
What's happening?
The graphs on the screen, it gets progressively worse.
Really?
Yeah, so it starts off at 407, then 404 is that?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
when it went to 7.
Well, he did say it was still pulling time on the dyno before, so.
But 407, yeah.
At 8K, which
Happy
is
with that.
what it should be.
And we've got 311 foot-pounds, yeah? Foot-pounds of torque, so.
325 on the last run, on the middle run.
Oh yeah, that's weird. So we've got whatever that works out in Newton meters, who knows, but yeah. And that's real horsepower, brake horsepower, not that other stuff.
The other one that we don't know what it is.
Happy with that? Right, come on, let's go.
Time to go.
Cheers. See you in a
Victory.
bit.
Breakfast in the morning.
Yes.
Poppies.
Right, so that's it. It's made 405-ish, 407.
I think there was one at 403, 405 and 407. So we'll go with 405.
Well, happy with that. Obviously, it's got a load of problems, as we said, part way through the video.
Yeah.
So plenty more work to do, but at least it's made up near the manufacturer's stated. It should be 420 PS, which is 414, so it's made 7 horsepower less. It is 155,000 miles, so
amazing.
I'm happy with that.
Amazing. Well, I'm, partially happy, partially not. I owe you a brekkie now.
Yeah, but let's forget about that. I'm not going to gloat. I might do tomorrow.
You will. You'll do it loads off camera.
And I didn't even have to cheat today, so.
That makes a change, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So, good power. Happy with that.
Thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe. Thanks very much.
See you on the next video.
Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.